You're sending me a lot. See, I have 2,100 there. I can buy rice. I can buy maybe 10 kilos of rice. I just received super, to be honest, I just received super chat, you know, just sometimes. Because, you know, I'm not that kind of, like the other, ano, guys, can you give me super chat? Can you give me, super chat, ganyan. I hate doing that, you know, because I'm so very shy when you know, like asking to someone. I'm not doing that ever since. That's why, yeah, when there's someone sending me super chat, nothing, I just like, wow, I experienced like this, so thank you. I just saw that you know, some of my friends, a lot of friends here on YouTube, they're doing live, and you know, there's if there's a lot of people in their live, they they receive lots of super chats. Not all, but you know, because they're asking, guys, can you send me something? Can you send me super chat? Like, what? I don't know. I'm not. I know, but I'm just being honest here. It's for me. It's shy. I'm shy. Even on my Allure, in my Patreon, I'm promoting, but sometimes I'm shy that you guys join my membership. But yeah, I'm promoting, but here on live, ever since I'm doing YouTube, I did not see that, hey guys, send me super chat. You know, but yeah, Alex is giving, this is my first time there's someone sending me lots of super chat. I mean, it's a lot for me. It's a lot. It's 2,000, you know, 2,000 pesos and 100. Alex, I'm so happy. I'm grateful tonight. Even my live was no viewers, but hello, I have 2,000 pesos. So I can sleep with a smile. I don't know what to say, but yeah, thank you. More blessings coming into your way like 20 times. Nay, ubang nag-live nga pa kiluoy. Yes! Di jud ko inana oy maulaw jud ko. Daghan akong napuntahan nin ana. Sige pa kiluoy na. Guys, can you give me super chat? Guys, ganyan. Murag makaulaw oy, di jud ko inana. Ang tao bisag dili ka mangayo, basta gusto nila magbigay, maghatag na. Pero naapoy tao na hindi magbigay kung ikaw tuloy maghingi, hindi magbibigay kasi kumbaga parang nakakainis ganyan. Kahit ako, sa side ko, ayoko nang yung parang demanding, yung naghihingi talaga, nagdi-demand. Ayoko din ng ganyan eh, naiinis ako. Sa side ko din, mas nagbibigay ako yung hindi naghihingi. Gusto ko kusa na ako magbibigay, ganyan. Depende na kasi sa tao yan. Basta ako kasi talaga nahihiya ako sa ganyan. Yung parang magpikiluoy ka na, maghingi ka ng super chat, ganyan. Kasi yung viewers mo, kahit di ka maghingi, kung gusto magbigay man yan. Di ba?